Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, For the Love of Beauty. With God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. You guys, I am making a facial mask using the baking soda. And I put it in a bag because my box was tore up. So I am using one, scoop of the baking soda. And then I am going to add the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, which I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I am going to pour a little over into the baking soda. And of course it's going to fizz when you are using vinegar and baking soda. It's going to fizz. So I figured that one little pour wasn't enough, so I am pouring in a little bit more. But you don't want it to be runny. You don't want to liquefy it. So this is the consistency that I am looking for. I want it to be more pasty. Yes, more pasty. So you guys stay tuned as I apply this to my face. But first, I want to show you guys my skin. Up under my chin are dark spots. They're dark spots due to me popping a pimple or two. And I am focused around my lips because I want to get rid of those little fine bumps around my lips. And there's a deep pore right there that I'm trying to take care of. And I am my forehead is okay, nothing wrong with my forehead, but I'm mainly focused around my chin area and around my lips. So here is my paste. It's not liquefied. So I'm going to use my 2 fingers to apply the paste to my face. So you guys, you don't want to rub it on your face, you want to pack it on. So you want to pack it on your face instead of rubbing it, because if you rub it, the product will fall. Yeah, it will fall as you rub. So I discovered that. So that's why I'm packing it on instead of rubbing. So if you want to add a little smell to it, you can also use essential oils like lavender. So I chose not to use any essential oils. So you guys, this is the last of my paste, and I'm going to pack the rest of it on my face. So I am going to leave this on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes, or at least until it dries completely. My face is now completely dried, and look how it is caked up. And it is cracking and it is falling. See? So you guys, I am going to go ahead and I pat off the fallen pieces off of my face, because I didn't want all that in my sink or what have you. So I went on and wiped my face off and, you know, let the pieces fall into the little trash can that I have. Now I am going to go and rinse the residue off my face. But hey, it can be pretty messy. My face is now completely dried. I don't see a difference, you guys. I'm going to use this every night because, like I said, I am focused really around my lips. So I'm going to use this every night until I see some results. Of course, you're not going to see anything on the first, try or the first go round. You got to keep using it so that you can see a difference in your skin. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, next I am showing you guys the black seed oil, which I ordered it off of Amazon. There is a lot of benefits in using black seed oil. I'm gonna have to come back and do a review for you guys. I do drink this every night before I go to bed. It's been a year since I have not used it, but I am using it now. Now I am applying it to my skin. Y'all, a little bit goes a long way on the skin. Every night before bed, I take a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon every night. I've been away from it for a year, almost a year, and I have seen a difference in my skin since I was using it. I slept better. You will have vivid dreams. Like I said, I will come back and do a review because I cannot explain it all in this video. So I am now applying it to my skin. I have been drinking it, but I have not really applied it to my skin. So I am starting it now. So you guys, my video is about to run out. I just want to say come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. So this is the end of my skin regimen for the day or for tonight. So come back. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, please don't click off. Go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe.